So everyone, this is how to draw an Angry Bird from the Angry Birds movie. First you draw a half oval, stop right here, again on the bottom, yeah. And then you draw 2 bumps on the bottom. Then you draw some feathers. And then another one. Then you just draw some lines and try to make it look really good. And now you can just get onto the arms. Right there. But on the other side, it's going to be just a bit smaller. And then we're going to do his legs. This is a joke from the movie that I'm drawing from. Why don't birds fly? Because where would we ever want to go?
Yeah?
Yeah. And you put some lines onto the feet right there. And now the fourth step is to draw a circle. And then another one on the other side. And now you draw a triangle that's kind of round like this. And now you do this just like a triangle. And do that. And then little nostrils.
Nice.
And then do a little half circle, like a little crescent. And then color that in black. Do another circle over that. And make something over that. And it's okay if you want to color it. Just you have to be careful if you want to stay in the lines. Now you draw his eyebrows. If you don't know how to draw bumps, you should just learn from your parents, because these are some really bumpy eyebrows. And this is how wide they should be. And now you color it. And now the second eyebrow. Now, if you want to do something in the background, you can. Because earlier at school, I did the drawing, but only I did a little baby bird in the background. Okay, we're almost done for one of the last steps. Doing lines for the feathers. Well, you just have to do a lot of these lines. Maybe 10 or 20 or something. It's probably about 20. But now you do a little shading and keep on with the lines. And now the picture is now finished. So my name is Scott Wynne Jones, and bye. That's